Hello everyone from Tony the Scarred Ghost. Today we are going to open together a box of a brand that I won't mention to you, but probably you can guess who it is. So I sure you guessed it. Yes, it's the box of the new Pico 4. So let's open it together so that I can test it and see if it is really the Quest 2 competitor. Let's check it out. So here you are the box. This time we'll use a cutter to cut it. Wow, the cutter was much more efficient than I thought, so let's open it. Let's see what there is inside. There is inside Pico 4. And of course, it's not in the right sense, but it's okay. I mean, let's take this out of the cardboard box with usual elegance that I have, like, okay, let's do it. And so here we are, Pico 4. Probably they could have spent a bit more money in the design of the front of the box. And this is white. And these are lots of useless sentences. It's age 13 up, by the way. So this is drawing of the device, and here are some games that are available, and it's very cool that games like Demio 11, Table Tennis, After the Fall, and blah blah blah, all of these are available on this device. So this can compete better with the Quest. And by the way, the box, the rear part, reminds me a lot of one of the Quest 2, let's be honest. But the front is different, because we don't have a box on the Quest with written Quest 2. I mean, this way we are totally sure it's a Pico 4, so I can understand this way of packaging. So you are sure what there is inside. So let me find a way to remove this plastic. Hola. So now we have the Pico 4 box, and you have to remove this to access the real box. So let's do this. And throw the box away. So now the box cover. So now we have a box with written Pico on it. So it seems that Pico people are very fond of putting the Pico sentence on top of their boxes, but this is something that I accept. So let's see what there is inside. Here there is the lid, but there is something here. So let's see the headset first, and then we'll see the content of this part. So the headset is like this. So let's give it a first look. So everything is covered. You see, look how satisfying it is peeling this. Oh, so beautiful. And we have the cover here, the side, the back. There are lots of things to remove. The other side. Let's see the cushion. Let's see the face mask that is made in fabric. It looks very comfortable. And I can smell a bit of China. Yeah, wow. Chemicals, I love them. So here you can see the microphones, the tracking cameras, the button to turn it on, the USB-C port, and nothing more. So as Pico told me, something easy to use and install, very few customization. Here we have the face mask that can be removed. So, ooh, that was easy. And then let's remove this to have a first look at one of the lenses. Look how reflective it is. Wow, it's very cool. And look how wide it is also, because this is why this device has a bigger POV. And then I guess there is a way to adjust this, otherwise I will just move it this way. I have to look in the manual how to adjust the IPD, but otherwise I think I can just take this and move it like that. Okay, so I think we've seen everything. Just little note on the audio. See that there are 2 holes because this is more powerful audio than the Pico Neo 3 link. And seems quite lightweight and quite small, but I expected it to be a bit more lightweight, probably, and a bit smaller, but this is very cool anyway. So it's me that always pretend, I always expect too much, but this is very small and very light, so it's cool. Now let's go to the controllers. So look how ergonomic it feels. It has this particular tracking ring, the various grip and trigger buttons, the menu button, the thumbstick, this menu button I guess, and then the screenshot button. That's great for me. I don't know how much can be for the others. And that's me with both controllers in the hands, and that's it. So there are also the batteries inside, and it's very cool what happens here because I saw this in an expo. So let me remove this. So now the controller activated, see the status light here, and if I do this, I can extract the batteries. Look how smooth it is instead of having to mess with the springs and all the rest. It's just this and this. It's super handy. So I'll leave it this way. So here there is nothing more. And then, so we have now this one to open. And I hope there is the safety manual because I love throwing them during my unboxing. So let's open it here. And let's, oh wow, see how smooth it was. And I wasn't expecting this to be so smooth, so let's redo it again. Voila. So here there is the content of the box. Let's open it and discover it together. So this, I don't know what's inside. These are, oh my god, it's what I, tell me it's what I hope it is. User guide, kick guide, safety warranty guide. So this one, you know what I like to do? Like this. So these ones, lots of instructions in various languages. There is also Italian, so devoted to the Italian market also. And a quick guide if you want to get started fast in using the device. You see, you turn it on, you put on your head, that it works. This is great. This is the power of this consumer-oriented device. Then we have something for the nose. So I guess it's something like that, or maybe more like that. Smells like chemicals as well. So let's see what we have here. And I guess it's a spacer for who wears glasses. It is. Look. This is good for who wears glasses and want to use this headset. And then here you have the usual stuff. USB-C to USB-C cable. Then we have, okay, let's remove it. And here we have the power plug with the, this is not an Italian power plug, by the way, but maybe I can remove this. Oh, look, it can become compatible with, I guess I can unscrew this and maybe it can become compatible with more type of, you know, sockets. This is not Italian, but I have lots of chargers, so this is not a problem for me. And then last but not the least, there is here, and my bet is that here there are the, you know, the bracelets for the wrists. So let's see. Wow. I told you, I hoped they were inside $1 million, but instead there is the bracelets for the wrists with a tiny Pico logo on them. So this is something I will never use, by the way, but I appreciate the thought of putting them inside, especially for demos. They are very, very important. And that's it. So let me just put at the center again the new fantastic toy I can play with these days. So 1, 2, and 3, and voila. So look how handsome I am with this device on my head, and now I can't wait to turn it on and try some amazing games in it. So see you at the next review. Bye bye.